Welcome back. Hey, it's been a while, guys. I'm so sorry. Yeah, man, it's been hectic, so that's why I was not able to do videos, do anything. I had to sort a couple of things, but yeah, we're back again. Welcome to another reaction. Fandak, I'm checking out the video collection of Vaka's TikTok and everything about Divori. Master KG is doing the most. He's dominating worldwide with over 50 million views on YouTube. So people have been dancing to the track and creating their own videos and all that. So I went and checked out the what do you call this? What do you call this? The TikTok. So we're gonna give you some of those clips from TikTok. We just want you guys to check them out, and then you can react, you can comment, you can like, you can also suggest story. Ndipi your video na kavona zori. We need to check it out also. Which track do you think will record your ibona and react to it? Tell you what we think and all that. So right now, let me give you this one. And this is the top TikTok compilation. It's videos of Pambana now. So check it out, guys. Let's see who Jerusalema goes with Sahani worldwide. Who could you to Master KG, Jerusalema, taking over the world? I'm gonna give you also the remix done by this other guy, Superboy. We can beat this coronavirus. We can beat it. We can beat it, guys. Let's have fun. And don't forget to wash your hands and sanitize. Hope to see more of you guys doing these same videos. Let's have fun. Let's vibe to this. Summer awards. You can keep your awards. Oxalayo Jerusalema Master KG is winning. Nomcebo. What's a Niger? Wow, that was some crazy vibe, guys. I just want to show Yuri. You know what? The world have united. Everything is vibe. We're having fun. Like Master KG. All I can say, man, keep up the good work. Keep on doing this great work. You know, no, Nomcebo, thank you for the great voice. You know, you landed a great voice into this track. I don't know what more I can say because this shit is dope. If you're new to this channel, Venda Music Entertainment, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell so that you get more notification of some crazy videos that we about to give you, we about to show you, we about to introduce to you guys. Because I don't know it's all crazy, it's all going down. Yeah, man, I'm loving this thing. I'm loving the vibe. I'm loving everything. Don't forget to suggest the video on the description. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give it this remix that was done by this guy. Not on this one. Check the video that comes after this one. That's when you gonna hear the remix that was done by Superboy. Yeah, it's Superboy. I think his name is Superboy. I hope I'm correct, guys, because this is the video that I bumped into. Just because I wish I was on the remix. Yeah. Check. Superboy, check. Jerusalema, original song by Master KG featuring Nomcebo. So he did his own remix. It's some dope shit right there. So I'm going to drop it after this video. I'm doing another video. I'm going to upload it right now. Check it on this channel also and listen to what this boy did. Ne, I'm all about ne man zina la suka. I'm forgetting my own name. Okay, ne zina ni duka suhana ni mwana ndo mahongoni. It's been a while, guys. But I'm back again and I'm giving you more videos, more music, more crazy news, more crazy everything. Because that's what I do. Don't forget to download free music at www.vanrapradiostation.co.za or www.renderfiles.co.za. Report any copyright. We don't like that. We don't like that. Thank you very much, and I'm out of here.